Transitions? How? Let's learn it together in CapCut. If you didn't watch my DaVinci or Final Cut video, Transitions is a video editing technique that connects two clips together that adds to visual storytelling. To access Transitions, tap that white box between your two clips. Here, it'll pull up all the transitions and it categorizes them. In addition, you see it'll give you a preview of what the transition looks like even before you place it. So pick any transition that you want to add to your clip. So let's just click Mix. And then that's it. And you can tell a transition has been added as you see that little icon that represents transition instead of that little box with the vertical white line. And let's do that again. Let's do the left. And then let's test those out. There, transition. Let's put a few more transitions on the rest of our clips. And let's play all our transitions as one. There. Boom. Simple. That's how you add transitions. And let's say you want to remove a transition or change it out. Click on the transition again on the timeline. And when you pull this up, you just want to scroll to the top left and click None. And that will remove your transition. And if you want to just change it, just click on the transition on the timeline and just click any other transition that you see here. And that's it. You can also adjust the length of the transition by clicking on the transition and you see that bar at the bottom. You would just change that. So I'm going to change this from 0.8 to let's play this back first. That's the highest. So here's a transition at 0.8. And I'm going to change that to, let's say, 0.4. And let's play that back again. Yep. It's a lot faster. From what I see compared to Final Cut and DaVinci, it seems like the only thing you could adjust is the length. And there's no other adjustments you can make even if you select other transitions. So look here. Yep. It's just length. But if there are any other adjustments you can do, let me know in the comments. And again, just like I mentioned in DaVinci and Final Cut, when you add a transition, you want to make sure your clips have enough frames in them. Sometimes I notice CapCut, it'll pop up the message where there's not enough frames and it can do it for you. But usually for the most part, as I'm noticing, if you just add a transition, CapCut will just do it automatically for you, even without the prompt. But let me know if not, or if you encountered that. That's Transitions in CapCut. Learn with me by trying it out and let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more learnings and what should I learn next. And if you want to learn more, check out this video.